as I said earlier, that my whole family is with me, and like we all are enjoying this event so nicely and so happily. So we all are being so cheerful nowadays, and now time also we all are having a lot of fun and enjoyment together.
अच्छा, जो बीजेपी सरकार चल रही है, मोदी जी की जो सरकार है हमारे देश में, वो भी सेलिब्रेट कर रही है इस बार बड़े पैमाने पर बाबा साहब की जयंती को।
I don't think so. But I can just say that, yeah, the people who relate to them, or the people who take inspiration of Dr. Ambedkar, I think that they must be, or they might be celebrating it.
75 साल हो गए हैं देश को आज़ाद हुए, क्या लगता है दलित आज़ाद हुए हैं कुछ अभी भी, या वो जो कुछ झेल रहे हैं चीज़ों को जातिवाद के आधार पर?
We are SC, so yeah, we all have freedom, and we all got freedom nicely, and like we all, as I told you earlier, that not all the Dalits got it, but still a lot of people, like the people who relate to our caste, Dalits, so they need some time to improve their caste. And like if I'll talk about myself, if I'll talk about my parents, then they are all doing a lot of things. They are giving a lot of money for my studies and all. So I think that they need some time to wear their caste.
शैली, तुम करीब 10-12 साल की हो, आपने भी कुछ झेला है जातिवाद का कोई ऐसा मामला?
Not till yet, but like in future when I will be an IAS officer, then I think that I'll do a lot of freedom, and like my parents are saving me from the people who don't know or who are literally illiterate. So I think that no, I will not do anything like that.
क्लास में या आपके आस पड़ोस में कुछ लोग कहते हो आपको जाति के आधार पर?
No, they don't say me like this because like I am expert, so I have a right, and I have that strength, I have that ability, I have that capacity to answer them.
अच्छा, मतलब आप मुझे जवाब देती हैं बराबर?
Yes, so that's all about me and about my family.
लेकिन हमारे देश में 75 साल हो गए हैं देश को आज़ाद हुए, दलित मूछ नहीं ले सकता है, घुड़चढ़ी नहीं कर सकता है शादियों में, ये कब तक झेलेंगे ऐसे?
I think that like when Mayawati will come as a prime minister, then this whole thing will be this whole thing will be in a form. Nowadays this thing is not in a form because right now BSP is not winning anything. BSP is not winning any kind of government nowadays. But still, like as all the peoples are not riding the horses. But in that time, when we will get some time in the future, I think that they will not. They have ability to face all that situations, and that's it.
आप कह रहे हैं कि यदि बहन जी जब तक सत्ता में नहीं आएंगी, दलितों पर अत्याचार नहीं रुकेंगे, लेकिन बहन जी को वोट तो मिला ही नहीं 2022 में इस तरह से।
I don't know that, but still I think that she has not done any kind of election. Because I think that she was afraid of something, but like when the other elections will come, I think that BSP will be the one of them.
जो BSP है, बहुजनों की पार्टी है, लोग उसको वोट क्यों नहीं दिया इस बार? क्या लगता है, क्या कारण हो सकते हैं?
Because Mayawati has not done any election this time. This time Mayawati ने एक भी चीज़ नहीं किया. Mayawati has not done anything, but in the future she will do all the things for her Dalits. So I think that she is also taking some time to improve this.
बहन जी सत्ता में नहीं आएंगी, दलितों के जो अधिकार नहीं मिलेंगे, वो पावरफुल नहीं होंगे, लेकिन वो पहले 4 बार मुख्यमंत्री बनी तो हैं उत्तर प्रदेश में।
पहली बात तो भाजपा को गड़बड़ कर रही है. भाजपा इज डिस्ट्रॉइंग एवरीथिंग. So when Bhajpa will go away from this whole country, then only I think that BSP will come in this.
लेकिन बीजेपी वाले भी बड़े पैमाने पर एक बार सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, बाबा साहब का जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं, वो भी तो चाहते हैं कि बाबा साहब का जो विचार चारों तरफ फैले.
But I think that some of them don't know nothing about Baba Sahab. They cannot see the struggles. He or she cannot see the struggles of Baba Sahab. So that's why.
जैसे कि केजरीवाल है, दिल्ली में सरकार है उनकी, वो नाटक कर रहे हैं, नाटक चलाया था उन्होंने, वो चित्र लेकर जो है चल रहे हैं कंधे पर, हर जगह चित्र लगा देते हैं. इससे क्या फायदा होगा दलितों को?
I think that Dalit will not suffer with this. Because all the Dalits, all the kind of Dalits are there. Some Dalits are understanding all the things in the party, but some Dalits don't know that what to do because they're illiterate. They don't know how to do or how to confess their things. They also don't know how to confess their rights. But when they will learn that how to confess their rights, then only I think that they can fight against it.
ये जातिवाद खत्म हो रहा है, लोग ऐसा कहते हैं देश में, और आरक्षण खत्म कर देना चाहिए, इस पे आपकी क्या राय है?
I think that all we need some time. As I said earlier, that Mayawati also needs some time to be aware of it, and she is also awareing all of them. She is also awareing Dalits, SC and ST against it. So like if she is telling nowadays that we all should be united when we all will give a vote to Mayawati, then only she can do anything for all our caste.
क्या लग रहा है जो बाबा साहब का सपना था कि वो सबको समानता मिलेगी, देश में सब सम्मान से जिएंगे, सबको अधिकार मिलेंगे, वो लग रहा है कि पूरा हो रहा है सपना हमारे देश में?
Yes, it is increasing day by day. Like if I talk about myself, then I am also doing all the things about my parents. I am also doing all the things for my studies and all. Like if I talk about my studies, then my parents are doing all the things for me so that I can do well in my future. I can do any kind of study at any time, and I can go to foreign also. So that's why I'm doing studies for it.
आज बाबा साहब की जयंती है, आप दर्शकों को क्या कहना चाहोगी?
We all should be united. We all should get studies. We all should be struggle against it. And whatever the things or whatever the fightings we are having nowadays, we should stop them. And we should tell them not to do all that things. So that's why. Thank you. I will say that I'm feeling so happy today because my whole entire family is with me. And like all the people are celebrating this as a event. So we all should be united and we all should be celebrating this. And today also I came here because of Dr. Ambedkar, and I really wanted to be united with my parents and that I'm doing all that thing nowadays also. So we all are doing struggle. We all are doing a lot of struggle nowadays, and we all should be united together so that we can make our caste so like good. I can say that in studies also. Like every year I came here, and I also every year I celebrate to do all the things. So that's why Baba Sahib is also giving a lot of inspiration to me, and I'm taking his inspiration every time and everywhere. So that's why I'll tell all the parents or I'll tell all the people to take all the inspirations from him, because he is a very good inspirational movement, I can say, for us. I study in class 8.
कितनी एज है आपकी?
My age is 12.
संसद में जो मूर्ति लगी हुई है उस पर आज लोग आते हैं, बाबा साहब को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करते हैं, उनको याद करते हैं, लोग नाचते हैं, गाते हैं और अपना स्टॉल लगाते हैं। तमाम जो संगठन है देश भर के दलितों के, बहुजनों के, वो आज अपने यहाँ पर एक प्रदर्शनी लगाते हैं, इंस्टॉल करते हैं। देखिए कैसे ढोल नगाड़े बजा रहे हैं, खुशी का माहौल है समाज में, नाच रहे हैं, गा रहे हैं, ढोल बजा रहे हैं। देखिए तस्वीर हम आपको संसद मार्ग के दिखा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर जो बहुजन समाज है, तमाम सर्व समाज आज यहाँ आता है और बाबा साहब की जयंती मनाता है। जो संसद भवन में जो बाबा साहब की मूर्ति लगी हुई है, जो स्टैचू लगा हुआ है, उस पर जाकर अपने सुमन अर्पित फूल चढ़ाते हैं और बाबा साहब को याद करते हैं। सब लोग मिलते हैं, यहाँ पर खाने पीने की सारी व्यवस्थाएँ होती हैं, सारे स्टॉल लगे हुए होते हैं। ये देखिए तमाम घर से लोग, एक मेला टाइप की तरह यहाँ पर, एक मेला ही कह सकते हैं इसको, लगाया जाता है। जो देखिए